I believe that every student should be exposed to the Career Tech Center. It is an excellent place to find what avenue you really want to focus on. For example, in the machining engineering program, students in my area have the roadmap of what field they can go into. They can go off into tool and die. They could go off into engineering of mechanical engineering, process engineering, tooling engineering. They can go off to be a pattern maker. They can go off and be a maintenance worker. They could go off to college. We teach students how to set up and operate lathes, mills, surface grinders. And once the students have progressed far enough into the knowledge of those, basic knowledge of those pieces of equipment, then we produce parts on CNC machines, which are computer numerically controlled machines. Students in my program have the opportunity to earn up to 12 college credits. The skills that are required for industry now, these students in this area, any of these areas in the Career Tech Center are getting those skills. All of these areas are high paid, high skill, high demand, and being hands-on. These kids are in this building for the hands-on learning. They enjoy this part of it. They enjoy the social aspect of it between their peers. Students have an opportunity to enter a great career and make a really good living at it.